how much should you actually spend on a twin bed for your toddler? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Giantex Twin Floor Bed. The Giantex Twin Floor Bed caught my eye with its clever design and cozy aesthetics, priced at $179.99. If you want a bed that doubles as a playful space while encouraging your child's independence, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This floor bed is not just about sleep. Plus, the integrated bookshelf is a game changer for promoting reading before bed. With safety fence rails and a low-to-the-ground design, it provides easy access, letting your child climb in and out independently. And with a solid wood construction, you can trust it will hold up to 400 pounds, making it a sturdy choice for years to come. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's put together, the durability and safety features far outweigh the initial hassle. If you're looking for something that encourages autonomy and provides a safe sleeping environment, this bed is definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a bed that promotes independence for your child and includes a fun reading nook. Skip this one if you're looking for a traditional bed that doesn't encourage playtime. Honestly, you're getting solid value for your investment here. Now, if the assembly process of the Giantex Twin Floor Bed bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sweet Crispy Twin Bed Frame. Next up is the Sweet Crispy Twin Bed Frame, priced at just $31.96. What really caught my attention here is its heavy-duty metal construction. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on support, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This frame can hold up to 660 pounds. That means it's not just sturdy for your toddler but can also support you if you need to lay down and read bedtime stories. The 14-inch height offers ample storage space underneath, helping keep your child's room organized. Plus, the quick assembly is a blessing, especially for busy parents who want to avoid complicated setups. Now, some users mention that the frame can be a bit squeaky over time. Here's the thing, if you're okay with occasional maintenance, this squeaking isn't a deal breaker for most families. It's an affordable and practical option that gives you more than you pay for. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy bed frame that maximizes storage and is easy to assemble. Skip this one if you prefer a wooden design or something more decorative. For the price, it really delivers on value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your toddler's imagination. Product number 3, Delta Children Race Car Bed. The Delta Children Grand Prix Race Car Bed is a fun pick at $175. What really surprised me is how it transforms from a toddler bed to a twin bed. If your child loves cars, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This bed encourages play and creativity with a design that resembles a race car, complete with decals to make it even more exciting. It's made from durable molded plastic, so it's built to last through those rough-and-tumble toddler years. Plus, the low design means your child can get in and out safely without needing guardrails. Now, some parents expressed concerns about the mattress size, as it requires a standard twin mattress that isn't included. Here's the thing though, once you get the right mattress, the enjoyment your child will get from this bed far outweighs the initial hassle of finding one. This is perfect for you if your child is a little race car enthusiast and you want to make bedtime fun. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional bed style that blends in with the decor. For the unique design alone, it's a great value. Now, if the playful design of the race car bed is quite your style, the next one is more traditional, yet still incredibly functional. Product number 4, Max and Lily Classic Floor Bed. Coming in at $214.71, the Max and Lily Classic Twin Floor Bed offers a sleek modern design. The first thing that stood out to me was its solid pine wood construction. If you want a stylish yet sturdy option, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a weight capacity of 400 pounds, making it safe for bedtime snuggles. The low profile makes it perfect for toddlers to get in and out independently. With a clean, low VOC finish, it's also a healthier option for your child's bedroom. The assembly is straightforward with clear instructions, meaning less stress for you. Now, some users found that the bed could wobble slightly if not assembled precisely. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions carefully, this bed should be solid as a rock, making it a great choice for both safety and style. This is perfect for you if you want a beautiful, well-crafted floor bed for your little one. Skip this one if you need something more playful or themed. Honestly, it's an excellent investment for a stylish bedroom. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more flair, the next product is a colorful, cozy option. Product number 5, Costs on Twin Floor Bed. Finally, we have the Costs on Twin Floor Bed priced at $125.99, and I was genuinely surprised by its cute and colorful design. If you want a fun, inviting space for your toddler, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It sits just 5.5 inches off the ground, making it super easy for toddlers to climb in and out on their own. The whimsical design features pastel colors with unicorns and rainbows, adding a magical touch to bedtime. Plus, the attached floor mat protects the mattress from dust and moisture, which is a thoughtful touch for busy parents. Now, some parents pointed out that the bed might not be as sturdy as other options. Here's the thing though, for a toddler's bed, the priority is often ease of access and comfort, which this bed provides beautifully. This is perfect for you if you want a low-profile bed that encourages independence and adds a splash of color to the room. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty or traditional. For its price and design, it's a fantastic find. So to wrap it up, the Giantex Twin Floor Bed offers a fun and functional design. Sweet Crispy provides incredible value for budget-conscious parents. Delta Children's Race Car Bed adds a playful twist. Max and Lily shines with its modern elegance, and Costs On brings a whimsical flair for toddlers. Each option has its strengths, so pick the one that suits your child's needs best.